Namaskar and welcome to India TV. I'm Shivangi and today is day 6 of India Couture Week. Well, आज का दिन बहुत एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि आज दो डिजाइनर्स अपना कलेक्शन शोकेस करेंगे. पहले है जयंती रेड्डी. इसके बाद है कलेक्शन रोहित बाल का. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out. इससे पहले मैं आपको पूरा शो दिखाए जाते हैं, बात करते हैं कुछ स्टाइलिस्ट और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से और जानते हैं उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है क्योंकि इस बार शो स्टॉपर बनी है जानवी कपूर. इससे पहले कि हम आपको पूरा शो दिखाएं, बात करते हैं कुछ स्टाइलिस्ट से और इन्फ्लुएंसर से और जानते हैं उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है क्योंकि इस बार शो स्टॉपर बनी है जानवी कपूर. So Jayanti Reddy show is about to begin and we have a fashion entrepreneur Vishakha and Salil with us. Vishakha, what are you expecting from Jayanti Reddy today?
I'm here for her delicate embroideries, beautiful silhouettes, and today I'm expecting something new from her. I've been following her work since a very long time and I relate to her work a lot, so I'm expecting a lot from her. It's been so many years that I've been following her, wearing her. She's always bringing beautiful mix of textiles and modernity to an outfit. So just that, and I want to see what's the new color she's adding to her palette of colors.
Well, you are a stylist yourself. Tell us about what is fashion and style for you?
Well, fashion and style for me is a language that we can all speak in. I don't follow trends. I don't believe in trends. Whatever you make should be your own, and I think originality really matters. The more original you are, the more your personality sort of evokes. So I think keeping it young, keeping it fashionable and keeping it really personal is really important.
So I have designer Palak Shah with me. Palak, what are you expecting today from Jayanti Reddy?
Lots of new colors, new designs and lots of beautiful pieces.
And how would you define her work in one word?
Just beautifully colorful and great craftsmanship.
Since you are designing yourself, tell us about your outfit.
I'm wearing Jayanti Reddy, supporting a fellow designer, and I'm wearing a beautiful cape with a skirt.
And what is fashion for you, Palak?
Experimenting and I think truly dressing according to my mood.
I have with me fashion stylist Pranay Jaitley. Pranay, what are you expecting from Jayanti Reddy's show today?
Everything beautiful, everything that has a hint of textile and fantastic silhouettes.
And I've seen you attending other shows as well. Did you like any of the designers in the collection? Which one was your favorite?
You know, I can't actually say favorites because every designer had something that I really liked. So every show that I've attended has had some of my most favorite pieces. Amit was fantastic. What Rahul did was beautiful. Ritu Kumar, of course, the OG. And yesterday's Shantanu celebration of 25 years was also just wonderful, right? So it's a mix of multiple pieces that I've liked from all of them. So I can't choose one.
And Pranay, what is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is an extension of who you are. It's something that makes you comfortable and just be you, you know. That is what fashion, I think, means to me.
वेल जानवी के ब्लिंगी आउटफिट ने तो सबका दिल जीत लिया, लेकिन अब बात करते हैं जयंती रेड्डी से, जो बताएंगी कि उनके पूरे कलेक्शन के पीछे थीम क्या था।
So the collection is called Reclaimed Opulence, and it's a big celebration of heritage, craft and antique embroidery. I think the collection actually was born very, very organically. It started off when I created a piece of art where we used a lot of leftover textiles and embroidery and patched them together, and it turned out so beautifully, so I thought, why not make a couture collection out of it.
वेल जयंती रेड्डी ने तो अपने ब्लिंगी आउटफिट से सबका दिल जीत लिया, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत कुछ बाकी है क्योंकि रोहित बाल का कलेक्शन सामने आना बाकी है। सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स गो एंड चेक आउट व्हाट इज इन स्टोर फॉर अस। शो स्टार्ट होने से पहले वी हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद एक्टर्स, स्टाइलिस्ट, डिजाइनर्स और सबने बताया कि हाउ दे मिस द लेट लेजेंडरी रोहित बाल।
Today I have come for Rohit Bal show, and this is one show that I was more excited about. I think his collection is going to be timeless, elegant. I think there would be some expression of Rohit Bal definitely in this collection, and super excited to be here. So today I'm wearing Bren by Vishali. I was shooting for some campaign here, and I was like, I can't miss Rohit Bal's show tonight, and this is why I'm here.
Rohit Bal is one of the first pioneer designers of the Indian fashion world, you know. I mean, his designs are so iconic, and his styling, his cuts, and the way he uses colors and fabric, you know, it's just awesome. It's just mind-blowing. That's how I remember him. He's a legend.
It's like being a pretty princess in a fairy tale. I swear to God, it's my favorite time of the year, every year, and I love being here, and I'm so grateful. Honestly, this year I was super excited because I think for me, all of the designers that I've worked for, they are just spectacular and they hold a really, really special place in my heart. Rohit met me years and years ago at the first Couture Week. He actually pulled me in front, I was doing his show, and he pulled me ahead and we had like a little dance and we got all these amazing photos together. But I met him properly afterwards because he didn't know who I was and I didn't know who he was. And we became the bestest of pals. He went around the whole town being like, have you met Alicia Kaur? Have you met Alicia Kaur? He is so sweet. And I miss him. I really miss him.
I have always been a fan of Rohit Bal. I'm here for him and I own a lot of couture for him. The style that he does is so unique and it's always like the couture and the delicacies that he has is so unique that I'm completely fond of him. Very, very excited. It has been always a roller coaster ride with him. The way that he showcases all his designs is very unique.
worked with Rohit Bal as an intern and then a designer. And I'm really looking forward to the show as I want to see what the new collection has in store, and it'll be a new in collaboration with the old, so it's going to be very exciting and I'm really looking forward to it. He was a genius and he was somebody who had a very big vision and something which nobody could imagine. He brought imagination to the table and he always had something new and something fresh, but he always was connected to his roots of Kashmir, and that was always evident in his work.
There's so much to say, I don't even know where to begin. From Gudda and me, as we know, go back to our early teens. We've grown up together, actually, his family. So I've watched every phase of his life. I've watched him grow. I never ever thought he wouldn't be who he is today. There was that genius in him always, and there was that special quality about him. He's left us. It's a pain that will never go away. But I'm so proud of his talent. I'm so proud of everything he's left behind. I'm so proud of the love and respect he's earned. I mean, the designer's no more, and there's a posthumous show for him. And everybody is just dying to be here and watch this collection. The way his team has got together to make sure that he's not missed. Because he's a very big personality to fill. You know, once he crawls into your heart, he stays there. And that's a unique quality. It's been so difficult to get over him passing away. We still have a group of everybody, you know, who's been close to him and around him. But anyway, this is about him living on forever as he's going to. And I mean, look at the creation. His vision, yeah, look at that. His vision of everything, his vision of the way things are going to be. The things that make women look elegant, graceful, dignified, beautiful.
रोहित बाल की कलेक्शन के लिए शो स्टॉपर बने अर्जुन रामपाल, और मीडिया से बात करते हुए उन्होंने बताया कि हाउ ही वाज फीलिंग इन हिज कलेक्शन और साथ ही कितना वो अपने डियर फ्रेंड गुड्डा को मिस करते हैं।
Well, I mean, the best part of Goods and what he taught me about fashion was never to take it seriously. You know what I mean? Yeah, he said fashion is fun and you should have fun with it. And I think that's what we saw in his clothes. That's what we saw in his mastery. That's what we saw in his shows. He always was about fun. It was all about energy, about giving positive, good vibrations and good energy. Clothes should do that for you, you know. And I'm very proud of these guys today. Today, you know, when they sent me this Sherwani today, it was very weird, but I unzipped it and there's a fragrance that was like, it's always like Gudda's fragrance, and his clothes have that. You know, even till today, I opened that and there was a certain scent of that outfit, and there is no outfit that I've ever worn. It's only in Gudda's outfits when I wear them, I can smell that fragrance, and it was wonderful to go through that. He was a great guy. He still is there around with us. I'm sure, as Sunil said, he must be dancing up there and very, very happy, and very proud of all you guys, okay, for this wonderful collection you've put together. So God bless you. And as I said, legends never die, they always live on. So you got to keep that legacy going.
In this moment, there's nothing left.
कलेक्शन के लिए शो स्टॉपर बने अर्जुन रामपाल और इंडिया टीवी से बात करते हुए उन्होंने बताया that how he is feeling in his collection और साथ ही how much he misses his dear friend Gudda. How was the show? Did you enjoy it?
I was seeing it from backstage. I was quite enjoying it there. You tell me, you saw it from the front.
Yeah, it was so good. It became a party, right? And how was the rehearsal? How was the backstage?
That was easy. Backstage was quite emotional. It's an emotional show.
Can you say a few words about the designer?
About Gudda? I mean, I love what his whole team has done, and that's what he is. I always say that legends never die, they live on. And I think this proves that his legacy will live on. And there's a wonderful lot of talent who is totally inspired by him, who made these beautiful clothes today. And there's a whole lot of people who still have a lot of connection and belief and love and, you know, everything for him, who put this beautiful show together, like Apu and the whole team, you know, and FDCI for, you know, just doing all of this. It's incredible. So
what's the meaning of this cat?
It's a cool cat.
You are the cool cat, right? You were talking about some fragrance.
Yeah, his clothes have a fragrance which remind me of him.
Well, Rohit Bal's collection was all about the reds, blacks and giving a modern touch to traditional outfits. लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं कि अभी और भी designers अपने नए collection लेकर आने वाले हैं. इसलिए stay tuned with India TV.